Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the eighth video lecture of class 3 English. Sorry for my bad handwriting. Now today's our chapter is Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow. It is highly suggested that you go through the chapter first and find the words like breaks, fenced, stuffed, surprised, and quiet, stressed, hurt, gratefully, and secret, and mark them for dictation. And these words meanings will be solved on your neat notebooks. So open your notebooks, prepare pages accordingly, and start writing them. They are also provided on your given worksheets, or you can copy them from the video here too. Like the first one, gazed says looked steadily. Grateful means thankful. Ripe means ready to pick. Certainly means surely, and faded became means became lighter. Suspected means doubted. Dreads means walks. Sniff means smelled. And write them on your neat notebooks. Learn the dictation. And until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.